YouTube Wagwan, man, you know it's your boy Clicked, and I'm back with another video for you guys. This one's really funny. I don't know if you guys tune into Jubilee or their videos, but basically, like, the hot seat is the topic for this one, and it's called Confident or Creepy. Feminists confront pickup artists. One of these guys, man, I tell you, I've never seen a guy like him before. I don't know where he gets his confidence from. I almost want to enroll in his course because it is crazy that he has that kind of confidence. Guys, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, man. It means a lot to me. Turn on post notifications. Drop a like. Let me know what you think about this. See you guys in the next one, man. Peace. I barely even started watching it. I'm laughing. Look at this guy. This guy's a pickup artist. Like, that's his thing. Man.
I understand where the opinion's coming from, but I don't really like the language because it's like objectifying women as like a sexual object.
I'm like disgusted. I'm like,
You're not entitled to women's attention.
I think he's just trying to sell a product at the end of the day, you know.
This is crazy.
Hot seat, boy. The OG. This guy. Look at his stats. 25 plus years experience. 59K. 25 years of experience on picking up girls and you only have 60K followers on Instagram? The guys that are following you or taking your advice must not be that. I mean, yeah, if you're going for advice from some social media expert on how to get girls, I think that you might not be good at doing it at all. So I guess it is what it is. At least he's trying to help.
Attract and seduce more beautiful.
This guy got a website. Now, maybe I need to switch my career because I don't know,
Women
man.
learn how to approach beautiful girls with ease and drive them crazy with attraction.
Mm-hmm.
The art of seduction is critical to your success as a man.
I might agree to
right
that.
Now, already what
To
I'm
some
seeing
extent.
is a lot of toxic masculinity.
Oh
The
my
idea
God, she's one of those.
That in order
Okay.
to have worth as a man, you have to have some sort of level of sexual conquest. And that drives
Conquest.
from a very fragile ego.
Yeah, okay.
Been described
I
as
don't
like
really see that.
makeouts. Is that true?
I love making out, you know?
I love making out. Bro, if you are out here talking about you're making out with everybody, you're nasty. I don't care what nobody says. I don't think, for me personally, and this might be weird, but I think it's so much more, like, personal to be kissing somebody than even just having, like, random sex with them. I just think so, man. This is my mouth. You get what I'm saying? Like, I'm not just yeah, that's disgusting. Hell no. Wow.
This is crazy.
His product, his service is proven to work, it seems.
Okay, wow. It's a lot of kissing.
Prince Calvin, the king
Jeez.
of makeouts, hands down, over 230 makeouts last year.
Who's keeping track of?
Yeah, that's kind of crazy. That's an actual stat. Like, the man behind the camera is just like, hey, oh, he got another one.
Makeouts and why?
Like,
How
I
old
wonder
is this
if he
guy?
has trouble feeling his emotions, and like he wants that high of making out with girls to feel something in his heart.
All of those makeouts seem
Okay.
consensual, so there isn't much that I can say. If y'all both like it, y'all
I like
both
her.
do y'all thing.
But he's weird.
Okay, hold it. Your looks are distracting. You gotta at least say hello if you're gonna pass by with such cool looks.
Salesmen that, like, attack you and they won't leave you alone, and it's a product you don't want at all. That's what he reminds me of with that little come up there.
I really mean it, genuinely. I kind of forgot where I was going, and what are your names? Wait, like a civilized hello. A fast one, though, because I gotta run.
Okay, notice these women's body language.
Man said, wait, what are your names? A civilized hello, because I gotta run. They gotta run too, brother, so just keep it moving.
Which they do not want to talk to him. It does not matter
I agree.
that he is complimenting them. They're not interested.
How about
100%.
you just go to a place where people are open to talk to you in the first place? Most people that are walking on the sidewalk are...
Disagree with him, because he's gonna say most people are walking on the sidewalk are going somewhere and they don't want to be bothered. They are just not interested in him.
heading somewhere to do something and don't have the time to talk to some creep. There's multiple ways to meet people.
Some
but
creep.
on the sidewalk as somebody's heading to their job.
So what this guy's saying is, if he sees the woman of his dreams in front of him, obviously we don't know her personality, but just physical appearance we're going off of. He's gonna be like, oh shit, she's on the sidewalk walking. She's probably going somewhere. Fuck it, I'm out. Let me not bother her.
Or
Shut
meet
up.
with a friend. You're not going to get great results.
I mean, you gotta shoot or else you can't score, man. That's what they say. He is weird. I 100% agree, and I think the way he went about it was weird as fuck too. But
we cannot meet people on the street anymore.
I agree with you here, my weird hair friend.
If we put restrictions to where you can meet people.
He's very
Think about
angry.
it.
You can go ahead and continue on to the next clip.
Are you like a bouncer for a club or something?
What the fuck kind of pickup line is that? You're asking a female. A bouncer is normally some jacked ass guy. You're gonna ask a female that? I think that's so disrespectful.
It's Club Melanie.
Poor girl is like she don't want to
Been
talk to
wanting
you,
to
bro.
come into Club Melanie forever. You guys never let me in.
I'm sorry.
Today I'm coming in. Even if I have to use force. Melanie.
Oh my god. Yo, being a girl must be so hard. Honestly, if I was her, I would just punch him straight in the face, like one jab. You know what I'm saying? Like, what? Nigga, what? I've never been let. I guess he saw her name on her name tag, so okay, I'll give him props for, you know, being creative. But then to say, I've never been let into Club Melanie, and today you're gonna let me in, even if it's by force. That is so weird, and he already looks weird.
Today I'm entering your club.
Okay, first of all,
I mean, forget saying today I'm entering your club. Just it sounds just as weird if you would say I'm entering you. Like, nigga, what?
if I was her, I probably would.
She'll
have
beat
not
your ass.
entertained all of that.
Yeah,
To
she'll
me,
beat your
it was
ass.
kinda obvious that she wasn't really trying to talk, so I feel like, you know, you don't have to push it at that point.
Oh, he was pushing.
Yeah, I don't like unconsensual.
That boy was
touching.
pushing
I
P.
hate when guys touch me.
Yeah, that's another thing. I find it so weird that he keeps reaching out and touching people like that, or, you know, being that comfortable to be in their space. Like, I would never do that. Maybe it's because I don't like embarrassment, or I just feel like I don't want anybody to touch me either. You know what I'm saying? Like a random person touching me. I don't know.
Entitled to women's attention.
I don't think he should go about it like that. Yo, this girl goes about her attacking him a different way.
Because a lot of women are afraid to be aggressive or assertive when stating no.
True.
Because, again, men have a habit of kind of assaulting us for not being polite enough.
I agree. I agree with her on that one.
Oh, by the way, something smells real good here. What is it? Is it your hair?
Too
no,
much.
it's not your hair. It's right here. Something like right there. Let me see.
Too much.
Normally, when I do that routine, then I go like, but rest assured, I won't bite you because I'm a vegetarian vampire. The most I will do is this.
Don't do that. Do not invade their personal space with
Yeah, as I said, it must be hard to be a girl. If I was a girl, I think I would get charged, because nigga do that to me, I'm gonna slap the shit out of him. Whoa, bro, that was wild. I just think, I mean, at least he doesn't look as creepy back then, but here, I don't think no nigga should just be kissing a girl on her neck randomly like that. I don't know if she was a prop, then that's a little bit different. I don't know.
consent. Don't touch people without their consent.
Because I'm sexy. I should try this shit in the morning. Maybe it will make a big difference to my life. Seductioncoaching.com, bro. You're telling me I can't do this shit and take these people's money? Dude, because this is crazy, bro. This man's actually making money. What the fuck?
They do that every morning. They feel confident. All power to them, to be honest.
Does that one get approval from you?
I get approval. Minus the, that thing, but everything else, I respect.
None of these
it.
ladies here would
I
fuck with
guess
this guy,
it's
bro.
Cool. that you're
Especially
trying to
not
help
this black
people.
girl.
I think that is very nice and kind from the heart.
Would you be open to meeting Vince today face to face?
I'm good, thank you.
All that shit talking, tell him to
Not
his
really.
face, man.
I don't think we'd have a ton in common.
Oh, the sidewalker.
I'm moved, saddened, not really surprised.
One thing I can say, this guy's super weird, and obviously he's not a young person anymore. So he's always been confident in himself, and I think that's something to admire, because a lot of people struggle with confidence, with self-confidence. So that is the only thing I can find positive from this person. But other than that, he's a weirdo.
Surprise!
Hi.
Surprise!
Hello. Hello, Vince. It's nice to meet you.
Likewise, you
Don't
comfortable
lie.
to touch?
Only the hands.
Only the
Yes,
hands. No,
yeah.
I think we're in a day and age where you ask first. And yeah, the video.
Brother, you should have always asked first. What is wrong with this psychopath, bro? You should always ask first. You should never be just reaching to touch somebody. And I know if the vibe is different, and you know this person, or you're speaking to them for a little bit, and you can see that they are okay with that, even then, I'm not doing that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I think it's so weird.
videos, it's out of context. You know,
Yeah.
I'm sure it is.
we got to know that it's out of context, meaning we don't
But I
see what
have
happened
seen your
before.
What video of you walking down on the sidewalk, walking a lady down on the sidewalk, talking about, oh, you have to tell me your name now, or I need to enter Club Maria, or whatever the hell her name was. Like, bro, shut up.
Yes, though.
You have.
I have, yes. As far as some of the dating techniques, it's important to respect each other as people, and I feel like some of the things that you were doing maybe make people uncomfortable.
This girl would
especially
beat
as
your
a woman.
ass.
You don't know when, you know, if I deny this man, if that's going to be the man that tries to hurt you.
I agree.
You know? So it's not always easy to just tell a guy, hey, you're making me uncomfortable.
Yeah.
I lived in Vegas when I was younger, and I was actually approached by a pickup artist, and he tried
Okay.
to touch me as a 13-year-old.
I come from the place of making men more aware of abundance. A guy's talking to you and he does something that makes you uncomfortable right away because he knows there's more available. He's good with that. So I'm making them gentlemen.
I think it's disgusting.
I
but
don't
if
understand
you,
anything he said.
You know, if I think a lot of men and people out there need help.
I like
so
this girl's
I guess
outfit.
It's
It's
a good
neat.
thing that you guys are helping them, but it just gotta, you know, not.
Shiva!
cross boundaries.
I don't know.
A lot of it is
Bro,
due
shut
to a
up.
misconception.
Nothing
A lot of people
is a misconception.
That girl is uncomfortable. The girl at the end of the free presentation hired me. She became one of my top trainer. So there's a lot of assumptions. Assumption.
Where the hell he's going and how he's actually doing this for a living. But hey, man, I might have to switch my career path, you know? But let me know what you guys think about these guys that are pickup artists. Like, would it work for you, ladies? Ladies, would it work for you? Guys, would you use any of these pickup lines? Would you move like how any of them move, man? I'll see you guys later, man. I appreciate you guys for watching.